Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about paysafe. Paysafe is a payment service provider that's used by millions of people around the world. It's a popular choice for online gambling, but it can also be used for other things, like buying goods and services online. So, the question is paysafe traceable? The answer is yes, but it's not always easy to trace a paysafe transaction. In this video, I'll explain how paysafe works and how you can trace a paysafe transaction. What is paysafe? Paysafe is a prepaid card that can be used to make online payments. It's similar to a gift card, but it can be used for a wider range of purposes. Paysafe cards are available in a variety of denominations, and they can be purchased at retailers or online. When you buy a paysafe card, you'll be given a 16-digit code. This code is your card number. You can use this code to make online payments by entering it into the payment form. How does paysafe work? Paysafe is a prepaid card, so you can't use it to make purchases that exceed the amount of money that you've loaded onto the card. This makes it a safe and secure way to make online payments. When you make a purchase with paysafe, the merchant will receive your 16-digit card number. They will then use this number to verify that the card is valid and that there is enough money on the card to cover the purchase. Once the merchant has verified the card, they will process the transaction. The money will then be transferred from your paysafe card to the merchant's account. Is paysafe traceable? Paysafe is not anonymous. The company keeps track of all transactions that are made with paysafe cards. This information can be shared with law enforcement if necessary. However, it's not always easy to trace a paysafe transaction. This is because paysafe cards are prepaid, so there is no direct link between the cardholder and the bank account that was used to purchase the card. How to trace a paysafe transaction? If you're trying to trace a paysafe transaction, there are a few things that you can do. You can contact paysafe customer service. They may be able to provide you with some information about the transaction. You can contact the merchant who processed the transaction. They may be able to provide you with the name and address of the cardholder. You can use a reverse search engine to search for the card number. This may help you to find the name and address of the cardholder. How to protect your privacy when using paysafe. If you're concerned about your privacy, there are a few things that you can do to protect yourself when using paysafe. Use a different email address and phone number when you purchase a paysafe card. Don't share your paysafe card number with anyone. Be careful when you use paysafe to make online purchases. Only use paysafe with reputable merchants. Paysafe is a safe and convenient way to make online payments. However, it's important to be aware that paysafe transactions are not anonymous. If you're concerned about your privacy, you should take steps to protect yourself when using paysafe. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.